I can be taking a look at stock ticker symbol PMEA, currently sitting at support line at 0018. You guys see what happened here? Big run up from the triple area. You always like to see those, right? Especially if you're down here. Not necessarily up here, but let me explain. You guys came down here to 20-day simple moving average, bounced off of that. I'm not going to go through too much here in the past, but we're going to be talking about what to look for. Over here on the 20th. See, this is what happens here. You guys got up to the 0026. If you were in this and you bought at the 0026 area, I definitely encourage you to go over to YouTube and look at the video penny stock gap ups. Don't do this. That video right there will explain what happened here, which caused that major sell off, in my personal opinion. Everybody freaks out with that gap up because people start selling, brings you down to that support line. Again, it was a big resistance line back here. You guys bounced off this level. You come down to it again, bounced again. Sitting at it right here, you fall through to the 30-day simple moving average, and then it said, no, I'm not staying down. And today it opened up there now at that support level at 0018. What are you going to be watching for? Well, let's watch for this to hold, of course. But you guys have some pressure building here, and I watch this pressure because I see it over and over. A lot of people don't really talk about this, but it does happen. 20-day simple moving average right now, pushing down to the support level at 0019 and 0020. And it rejected off the 30 days. So now you're getting pinned between these two price of moving averages, the 0018 and the 0019. Watch for this buying to pick up and push you through the 0020. If that happens, you guys could really bounce off there. If the 0018 and the buying pressure doesn't pick up, it could pull you down to the 30-day simple moving average. Hopefully Joe could fill us in on some of the news that they just had.
Yeah, they had news today. It was PM&E Incorporated receives U.S. $500,000 investment in cash and appoints an exclusive agent for Asia. So I was just kind of reading through it. What I noticed about it, well, I'll read the thing and then just kind of go over it. Aircraft manufacturer PM&E Incorporated announced today that it has finalized an investment contract for U.S. $500,000 with a successful Malaysian entrepreneur and has appointed him as its exclusive agent for the entire Asian region. CEO Joseph Bourne stated, "We take a certain amount of pride in knowing that our company is quickly establishing itself as a company of integrity. One ongoing indication of how well we are doing in that regard is the ability to attract others of integrity that see the vision we've created, who want to be a part of the process. As of today, we are happy to announce that we are adding an exclusive sales agent for the entire Asian region, and he will be given the autonomy to move aggressively in that market. He is someone with the skill set necessary to help us grow at a rapid pace. As a show of support, he has also invested $500,000 in cash into our company." So just like looking into this right here, I'm guessing it's the same person right here. So the exclusive agent for Asia also invested $500,000 into the company. That's basically the way I'm reading it anyways. All right, so PM&E is an aircraft company with a contracted manufacturing facility in Sousse, Tunisia. The company is in the process of implementing a modern manufacturing plant in Tunisia and securing a facility for aircraft assembly in Wyoming. The company manufactures their signature line of Evada aircraft through the strategic partnership. Denali Exogyro also manufactures their commercial ultralight gyrocopters at the same facility in Tunisia, creating synergies and cost savings for both companies through a shared resource and revenues agreement. All right, so right here it says Mr. Bourne went on to say, "We are moving forward at an aggressive pace with establishing our sales infrastructure, and this particular move merited a press release as it exemplifies the growing worldwide appeal of both Evada aircraft and Denali Exogyrocopters. Further news is pending as we have moved to share with you in the coming days. We have more to share with you in the coming days." And then they got the links and everything else. But I mean, that's good right there. So the person that's coming on to be the exclusive agent for Asia, obviously he believes in it enough to put 500,000 into it. And as always, if you want to learn more about the company, go over to the Investors Hangouts board. Click in the ticker symbol PMEA, and from there you can go into the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, and if you have an opinion or you want to share or exchange ideas in regards to the company or any other companies for that matter, be sure to check out the message board. We have over tens of thousands of people visiting each day, implementing them boards. So it'd be great to have you over. That's pretty much it, David.
All right. So you guys see what's going on here. Again, as far as the chart goes, watch for buying to push you past the 0.020 in the next few days. Major support at 0.018 must hold. Otherwise, 30-day simple moving average depends on buying. So that being said, there's still a little bit of selling going on right now. But obviously, with the press release that Joe just went over, the company is keeping you guys up to date and looks like it's moving forward. So as far as I'm concerned, the chart is starting to set up. I'm going to add that in here. The chart is setting up, in my opinion, with news, with recent news. I'm going to just add that in there with recent news. It really does. Like I said, keep an eye on it, though. I told you guys what to look for. And as always, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with all other PMEA investors. And as always, if you're interested in adding any other stocks for us to take a look at, you can do so by heading over to investorshangout.com/live. That is where you can request the next stock that we take a look at. Again, PMEA, keep an eye on this one, investorshangout.com.